So this is a FE Ford V8 416 cube, 428 crank, 390 block. It's built for Roger Gramkow and family. It's going to go in an old Highboy 3/4 ton 76 or 7 pickup, C6 automatic 3/4 ton. It's just an RV build. It does have Edelbrock heads and dual plane intake. 600 CFM carb, a little hydraulic flat tappet cam. This purpose of this video is one of the members may not be able to come and see it run, so we thought we'd shoot a quick YouTube video of it for him. So here's the results of our test. We went 2700 to 5200 RPM a second axle rate. Like 455 torque, good torque numbers. 426 at 27, 437 at 41. 400 pounds of torque all the way to 4700. 364.7, call it 365 horsepower. It's going, starting to nose over. Notice the airflow is at 458 to 455, so 4,900, 5,000. You know, the thing idles with 15 inches of vacuum at 800 RPM. It's an automatic transmission RV type motor. It's no big fire burn hot rod deal. But it should be dandy in the old pickup. I think the 360 it's replacing was like 165 horsepower with a 2-barrel. Had to drive it like you're mad at it all the time. Do this kind of stuff all the time. valleycrankshaft.com. Thank you.